Hello, Divine Souls. Welcome to Showers Healing. Divinity in me greets divinity in you. Welcome to day 5 of our 7-day healing journey. Today, we focus on self-love, fostering a deep sense of self-acceptance and appreciation. Through this guided meditation, we will explore the unique beauty of our individuality. Before we begin, drop a comment on your current emotional state or what you hope to achieve from today's meditation. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any part of the series. Let's embark on this journey together. Let's begin. Find a peaceful place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. When you are ready, gently close your eyes and tune into the rhythm of your breath. Feel the gentle movement of your body as you inhale and exhale, grounding you in this present moment. Visualize a gentle warm light within your heart space. This light represents self-love, self-acceptance, and self-appreciation. It may be small now, but know that it has the potential to grow and fill your entire being. With each inhale, visualize this light growing brighter and warmer, expanding throughout your body. With each exhale, let go of any self-judgments, self-doubts, and criticisms. Breathe in self-love, breathe out self-judgment. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in self-love, breathe out self-judgment. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in self-love, breathe out criticisms. Inhale, exhale. Imagine this warm light enveloping you completely, whispering words of kindness, acceptance, and love to every part of you. Allow this light to heal, comfort, and embrace you, acknowledging and accepting you just as you are. Now, repeat these affirmations in your mind or out loud. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. I am worthy of love and respect. I am worthy of love and respect. I am worthy of love and respect. I appreciate myself. I appreciate myself. I appreciate myself. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. I'm enough. I'm worthy of love and respect. I appreciate myself. I love myself. Continue to breathe in self-love and breathe out any remaining self-doubt or judgment. Feel the warmth and acceptance filling you up, reminding you of your innate worthiness. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the rhythm of your inhale and exhale, the gentle movement grounding you in the present moment. When you are ready, gently move your fingers and toes, bringing your awareness back to your surroundings. Open your eyes, carrying this feeling of self-love with you into the rest of your day. Remember, you are worthy of love and respect just as you are. Carry this feeling of self-love with you, not just today, but every day. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to continuing this healing journey with you tomorrow, when we will focus on spiritual healing. Until then, be gentle with yourself. Share your experience with this meditation in the comments below. How does it feel to consciously cultivate self-love? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our meditation for day 6. You are doing amazing on this journey. See you tomorrow. Divine blessings.